Do you see him, do you know him to be an abusive person, Perry Edwards Jr.?
Yes, ma'am. He was abusive when I was little. Him and my grandma would get into arguments, and he drank just about every day. And I'd hear stuff being thrown in their bedroom, and then the next day my grandma would have bruises all over, and she would always say that she fell or bumped into something.
Are your grandparents married at this time?
My grandparents aren't married.
When did they become divorced, do you know?
No, I don't know when they got divorced.
Okay. And then, do you know anything about where he worked at the time of the murders?
At the time of the murders, from my recollection, my granddaddy said that he worked with Colquitt County, that he was one of the wardens of the prison.
Okay.